Okay, hello guys, so we're back again. The last video we're going to do of the evening, so we are going to do a bun with a French plait across the top. So you can see questions, send them through to us. Okay.
Right, with the bun with a plait on the top, we don't do the centre parting like normal, we go off to the side. Do a parting at the side, then we go down the hair in line with the ear. It's always good to use a pintail comb to get the straight line. Great tip, use any old band and make sure you get all the rest of the hair out your way. This is going to stop it being as fiddly and getting anything caught between the line, which makes it look really pretty and distinct. So let's pull that out of the way. Right, this time we're going to do a normal French braid.
So we seem to be seeing this quite a lot of competitions, don't we, this hairstyle? So this is a good one for you to see. So this, you're going to have to master the French plait or the Dutch braid for this one. Or if not, you're going to have to get someone else to do it for you. If you've got somebody lovely like Claire in your gym club, then they can do it for you. But now that you've got our videos, maybe you can have a little go, have a practice.
So we get the section in the middle with the hair, and we do it in 3. But in a smaller section than you would obviously, and then we're going little section by little section, adding, over, stop, add, over, next side, over, over.
Doesn't she make it look easy? She's very clever, your mum, Chloe.
Yeah.
But your mum's been saying that you can do this, is that right?
Mhm.
Can you do it on yourself?
No.
No, so just on other people. You do mums for her? She lets you practice on her?
Yeah, and I did a few people, older girls at the gym's hair, like their
Oh,
French
Dorset Flower
plait
Vault,
bun.
didn't you?
Yeah.
You're very quick, Claire. Again, you seem to be using that comb and the brush. Well, not so much this time, actually, Claire.
I don't think it's as necessary with the inside.
Okay.
I think for some reason you can smooth the hair out more with your fingers on the inside one, but the outside one tends to be a little bit more frayy, so.
Okay, so if any of you've got any questions, feel free to ask us. We will answer them for you. If we can, that is. Or if you've got any requests, then we can... Well, this is the last live video we're going to do this evening, but we will do a blog featuring all of these and a few of our little hints and tips. So if you've got any questions, we can make sure we add that to the blog.
Right. Now again, take the hair out.
This is the clever bit, I think. I think this tip for not having to use the clips is really great. I think lots of people will use that. Is that just trial and error? You just came up with that?
Yeah.
We've got a question from Jodie. What was the brush you were using and where is it from?
A Denman, and I got mine from Sainsbury's. Depending on how thick your hair and how much hair you've got, there's a miniature version of it. This is the medium one and there's a larger one.
Okay.
They are quite pricey, so I think this one was about £8, which is it's quite a lot for a brush, but I've only ever had this one and it's done me really well, so good long lasting brushes.
My grandma has one of those brushes.
Yeah.
I have one of those brushes. My mum has one of those brushes. So I think they've been going for a long, long time. I think whoever made those has done
well.
very, very well.
Yeah. not only that, it's really great. Bella's hair, my other daughter, is really, really curly, and she can't stand having a hairbrush, but it doesn't pull so much. I think with the bristles and it's a bit softer on the head. Add the plait.
She makes it look very easy, Claire does.
Do your ponytail.
Do let us know how you get on. If you have a little practice at home, send us some pictures, send us some videos. We'd love to see how you get on. We really hope this will be useful for you. And do you feel like you've had a facelift, Chloe?
Right.
I'm really liking the fact that I'm not going to find loads and loads of hair clips around the gym if they do their buns like this.
So, we do it again. We pull the donut through. We pull the hair over.
It's quite reassuring seeing that Chloe's hair's not so wet now, but it's still coming out nice and smooth. Looks great. I think you should leave it just like that. It looks perfect now.
The octopus look. Right, so once again, before doing anything, get the band and we go over the donut. Can you see? Then we can sort of rearrange it to how we want it, if there's any messy bits. So if we pulled a bit out, we've still got the chance to pull it back through. We haven't ruined it at that point. We then put another one over. This one, these are quite big ones, so I can go over twice with the second one anyway. There.
Ah, here's the lovely Bella with the curly hair.
Who turned off the Wi-Fi?
No one.
Are we using your Wi-Fi, Bella? Or is it your brother? Is he wanting to use it?
hasn't got Wi-Fi either.
Oh, okay.
We'll be using it all up, I'm sorry. We will be finished any minute now.
Fortnite, can't wait.
No.
Right. Again, so say someone's hair's really quite short at this point and there's not much left over, just twist it in.
Okay.
But obviously, Chloe has loads, so we just plait it up. Can you see this is not moving? This isn't.
Yeah, it's great.
This isn't. It's not going
It's not
bumpy
gonna go anywhere.
or Even with pulling the ends, it stays where it needs to be.
When you practice really hard, then you can plait as quickly as Claire.
Sorry, and then wrap the bun round, tuck the end right in. I mean, I said earlier I use bands, but if not bands, these are the best grips to use.
Okay.
The extra wide ones. They hook into the donut more.
Okay.
So yeah. But obviously I don't really tend to use, I mean that's holding like that as anyway with just one, to be honest. And then obviously it's scrunchy over at the end.
Right, now Chloe, I think you should finish off by showing us something from your gymnastics repertoire. What are you going to have?
What are you going to do? Walk over?
Okay, so thank you ever so much, Chloe. You're going to say goodnight to everyone? Goodbye, thank you ever so much, everyone. Bye, thank you, Claire.